Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to search previous tweets and uncover the accounts behind them using Circleboom's historical tweet search. First, log into Circleboom Twitter. Then, open the left menu and head to X account search on tweets and click into historical tweet search. You'll notice real-time tweet search sitting right next to it. That one tracks tweets as they happen, while historical search digs into the past. After that, describe the tweets you're looking for using AI Smart Search. Just type it, like, find tweets about people looking for a smartwatch or fitness tracker. Exclude retweets. Circleboom's AI reads your intent, pulls out the right keywords, and applies the filters for you automatically. After that, refine your search with the AI suggestions and filters Circleboom offers. Narrow things down by intent, comparisons, or replies, focus on a specific language, and filter out spam and retweets, so you're left with people actually worth reaching out to. Then, pick your historical date range. Go back 30, 60, or 90 days, search the whole past year, or set a custom range. This lets you uncover people who tweeted about your topic months ago, not just this week. After that, choose how many tweets you want Circleboom to collect. Click Continue, and Circleboom scans the historical data, pulling in matching tweets along with the accounts behind them. Then dive into your results. Tweet View shows you every matching post with impressions, likes, retweets, replies, and bookmarks, so you can spot which conversations got real traction. Switch over to Profile View to check out the people behind those tweets: follower count, following count, account age, and engagement level, all in one place. After that, take action right from the results. Follow accounts directly. Add the best ones to a Twitter/X list for ongoing monitoring. Turn on auto follow to pick up matching users automatically, or export everything as a CSV. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming!